Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a login page in Flutter for beginners in 2024. So today we're going to learn how to create a login page. Of course, this tutorial is perfect for beginners and it will help you understand the basics of Flutter development. So follow along as we build a simple yet effective login page. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, you'll need to go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave, or you can use whatever you want. So for a beginner, you definitely have to use an AI tool called ChatGPT. I'm sure you have heard of that. So go to the URL section, type chat.openai.com and hit the enter button. So as I said, this ChatGPT is going to be the foundation for your login page because normally as a beginner, you know nothing. Let's say like me, I know nothing about like what's that and etc. So all I need to do, I'll just type I wanna create a login page using Flutter. So yeah, I'll just hit the enter button. And at the same time, as example, I'll open a new tab, go to Flutter or type Flutter. As you can see, I'll just go here and click on that. And as you can see, this is Flutter. So all I need to do here is just go and click on Get Started. So choose your development platform to get started. So as example, Windows for me. And choose your first type of app. Do you want it to be web, Android, or desktop? So where do you want your login page as example? Of course, Android is recommended. For me as example, I'll just choose web as example. So here, first of all, you'll find the hardware requirements. Make sure to have one of those. So the minimum, which is a CPU cores 4 gigabyte on I guess memory, which is RAM 8. Display resolution, as you can see, free disk space, and etc. And recommended, as you can see, is kinda the same. About software recommended to write and compile Flutter code for web, you must have the following version of Windows and listed software packages. Operating system, you'll need, of course, Windows PowerShell 5 or later. For example, I guess like I have Windows PowerShell. I'm not sure if it's version 5. So let me just see if they like settings. Okay, I'll just go to settings here and about like of course I just need Windows PowerShell, but okay, I can't see as example the version, but it's fine. Yeah, I'll just go here and close all. And of course, development tools, there's Git for Windows and Google Chrome, configure text editor IDE. You'll be able to do that. And if you want to install the Flutter SDK, as example, you can use the VS Code to install Flutter. So make sure to have Visual Studio Code on your PC and open it up as an example. So here, as you can see, it's opened. So once it's launched, make sure to open the command palette and press Ctrl-Shift-P. So Ctrl-Shift-P. Once you do that, make sure to, in the command palette, type Flutter. So here, of course, it's going to be, okay, I'll just type again, Command-Shift-P and type Flutter. And as you can see, there's no matching commands at the moment. And make sure, of course, to install it. Just type in the command palette Flutter, and of course, select Flutter new projects. Example, if you don't have it installed, example, you can even look for extensions of it, like Flutter. As example, let's just see. So as you can see here, here is it, like Flutter. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to go and install it. And you can see, do you trust the author of the files in the workspace? For example, just click on Trust Workspace and install. And once you do so, of course, you'll have to wait until it's installed. And of course, you'll be able to use it. So Flutter support and debug for Visual Code. As you can see, this VS Code extension adds support for effectively refactoring, running, and reloading Flutter mobile apps. So it seems like a mobile app. So probably you'll be able to create a login page on mobile app on Flutter. And as you can see, in the meanwhile, you can go back to ChatGPT and see what he's getting into up. So set up Flutter, create a new Flutter project, for example, and design the UI. If you want to design the UI, of course, implement the logic, connect the backend, handle authentication, handle navigation. And here's a simple example of login like a screen in Flutter. So example, as you can see, there's a code. You can simply just copy that code and use it in ChatGPT as example once you're trying to use it. So of course now you just go and type Flutter, so new projects of course. And yeah, I'll just go and download SDK. If we don't have it, why not? So I'll just wait until it's downloaded again. And as you can see, like there's over 8 million like downloads, so you don't have to worry about like if it's not working or something like that, or if it's not safe, sorry, or not working. As an example, as you can see here, also it has a very, very good rating, like 5 stars, 5 out of 5, which is very, very good. Of course, you can even, I guess, read whatever people saying. Just click on it, and this will open a new tab on your like PC or your browser, and you'll be able to read everything out about it. So let me just wait for this SDK until it's downloaded. It seems like it should not take from me a lot of time. So I'll just wait in here until it's downloaded, of course. So of course, once it's downloaded, you'll have just to go and start a new project, as we said before, like Flutter, of course. Let's go and hit that. And so as we said, new project, of course. For me, I'll not be able to do it until this. As you can see, you could not find the Flutter SDK. Please download, or if it's already downloaded, click on locate. So for me, as you can see, I'm still not downloaded yet. So once it's downloaded, I'll be able to use it. So I'll just wait a little bit more until it's downloaded. As you can see, it's taking some time, so we'll have to wait. And once it downloads, basically just follow these steps. So here's an example. Okay, it's still downloading. It seems like it's taken a lot of time. So of course, maybe it's downloaded. So it seems, yeah, okay, maybe it just gets in sources or something like that. I'll just go back here as example and try to go. So Flutter, new project, locate this example, and I don't know where it's downloaded. So let me just wait here. So go in here to this. As you can see in here, what about this? So maybe it's still not downloaded since this one is still like running in here. So it seems like it's going to take a lot of time. So all you need to do once it's downloaded, as we said, just hit this Control Shift P, type Flutter, sorry, hit this new project. Instead of this appearing to you, you'll find a new page. All you need to do, just go to ChatGPT, copy this specific code as it is, then go back to VS Code, paste it there, and run the code, and you will get your profile page, your login page without any problems. What if you get some errors as an example? All you need to do, just copy the error, go back to ChatGPT, enter the error here, and he will fix the code depending on the error that you get, and you'll be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.